Godman Oloya. I'm the program director for Pamaga Research and Development Organization. This is a new research and development organization in Uganda that is premised at fostering research and development in the area of health, education, social, economic, and environmental issues. This year, we were the winner of a Global Seed Fund that is funded by Korea Safety, Health, and Environmental Foundation. And they are funding a project called Pagay River Restoration and Environmental Education Project. This project aims at contributing toward the restorations of Pagay River through a threefold approach, whereby we assess, we educate, and mobilize the community for the cleanup of the environment. This project really looked at the citizen science approach, whereby we first of all investigate, understand what is the problem, then later on come together and formulate strategies so that we address the problem using educational models and direct engagement in the cleanup of the river. It is highly important that all development actors, together with the political leaderships of Kitgum municipality and any actors that is responsible for our environment, to come together so that we act right now to solve this emerging issue. Pagay River is heavily polluted, especially when you look around the main bridge. I want to bring to the concern of all able and responsible citizens in Uganda, and especially in Kitgum municipality, especially the leader and the community, that it is time for us to act to save Pagay River. Pagay River is threatened by our actions, whereby when you go to the main bridge, you will find out people are dumping a lot of waste. And right now, as I talk, the river is heavily polluted and is threatening the livelihood of people that lives across the river bank. Especially, there are communities along the river bank that drinks the water and animals also. So it is threatening, and the life of people at that area is also threatened. You will look through and see that the river, people are already cultivating in the river and also washing cars in the river. That one is especially threatening the ecosystem. You will find out that the river catchment area is degrading seriously. And if we don't act seriously, and we act now, and we act together with Pamaga Research and Development Organization, together with you, we are going to lose this river. Remember, Kitgum district is highly blessed. It is only one of the districts that has a river cutting across the heart of the municipality. So it is our call that we come and save the river. And if we don't do anything right now, we are going to lose this mighty river. And it's one of the a major important actually landmark that signifies Kitgum from other districts. You will find out that Kitgum has an hilltop. It has one of the iconic buildings, Kofmo building, and Pagay. So we don't need to lose those important features that defines our mighty municipality. So as Pamaga Research and Development Organization, I call upon all development actors, partners, political leadership, and individuals that would like to see our environment safe, so that we come and act and save the river. I would also want to extend appreciation to Korean Safety and Health Environment Foundation for entrusting us with this fund, so that we really bring to the concern of the community, and then we work together and solve this emerging issue. However, we know we may not achieve everything at a go, but this is a very private step, and your contribution is very important, so that we address this issue as development actors that look at saving the environment, not only in Uganda, but across the globe. I also would like to extend our appreciation to the government of Uganda for giving an enabling environment, so that actors like Pamaga Research and Development Organization is given the opportunities to come and create awareness, trigger the community so that we act to save the environment. I don't want to talk too much, but I would like to call upon everyone to join hand in us so that we work together. And especially, let's also not forget the contribution of Upland TV. Upland TV is an indigenous television that is supporting to air out issues that affects the community. And one of it, under the corporate social responsibility of the television, they are supporting this initiative so that the information will reach the people and people act and we change our behaviors toward the environment. Stay tuned for more update about the project and get involved. Thank you.
It is Korean Safety and Health Environment Foundation. I want to congratulate that organization for supporting you with that little funding, which will eventually help you to implement activities according to your objective. I am Uyo Morris Santo, and I'm the chairman of this division, Page. This division is actually named after the river. That very river is called Page Division, and the name Page originated from that river. So when people talk about Page, we feel they are actually talking about us. So for that matter, we have been seeing a lot of challenges facing the same river. Among others, if we are to be honest, is that the leadership of the entire council of Kitgum District, Kitgum Municipal, including Page where I sit, there was a lot of laxity in between. That's why when you move around, you see a lot of unwanted activities taking place within the river, and nobody is coming to regulate to stop the community from doing that one. People collect garbages from elsewhere, they dump in the river, nobody stopped them. Community members could pick interest in cultivation, people are cultivating inside the river. People are claiming the entire river. People are claiming land around that environment. And we find leadership is not coming to regulate such activities. With the coming of this organization, Pamagara, with support of Korean people, I am sure if the leadership of this council, which I place to put commitment toward that, we shall together with the public work toward promoting and protecting the environment, particularly through the river Page. We had very many CBOs, many NGOs, but none of them was specifically coming to deal with environment-related issues, especially within Page. With the coming of this organization, and being this is a local organization, which already supports a network with friends from outside, we believe if this group is embraced, it will go a long way in fighting and protecting the environment of this community. So for that matter, we want to encourage you members. We want to place our support to you. We are going to place to mobilize community, to sensitize them, such that everybody come together and we work towards making sure we regulate activities that take place within this river. We shall also offer for you radio programs and different platforms where you could come and talk to the community. Even for us ourselves, we are going to call our leadership so that you come and empower them, just that in your absence, this poll goes in the community and pass the similar information. This is for sustainability. With the little funding you receive from outside, what if tomorrow we don't receive the funding? Meaning we shall not be able to sustain. And the best way is if we can bring people from within the environment, all the stakeholders, we incorporate them together. We embrace this and we work as a team. We believe it will go a long way.
Nyak Dono Tema Francis, TCA Passion LC1 Coin Pajosel, Malupe ke Peroma 1, Watika Nongo, Machalo Lutela, me Coin Pajosel, Mawa Tene Page Riba. Peroma dit Mawan Wabiruka Nongo ne, Ene Kara Mokara Ngich, Wabiruka Da Tutual. Me kwero log me dumping yugi Page river ka kubiri unu neno sample ma unu tika neno kita Page kubiri tikere ka ipor ki mwa ma yangchon Page tikere si noni wano bibiru ki pere ya nyim ay karma wanu pere mo karo tutuale karma wabiru ki chuk wo mano put chuk ma mewa ma dit putum luak magen ubiri chuk igini duchu ki community magen urumwa karma chuk igini obedo ka konyo lwak ci yugi mapol kare obedo ka donjo page kany maduong' obedo ka aki chuk mawoko manu fut dano po dok i chuk madit omiyo peko madit kubedi ka unu neno page tik pede koko na ti bot municipal council kaachiel ki division council no mier ki nen ni kitiyu matek wegi ki kony neno pa nyuoli madiki maja wegin kunong page ku kony gi ya nyim page kita kubedi unu neno kwede pero mapul mukeno bedo ka aki bot lwak ma aki town jo ma aki town morumu town ako duchu giro bedo ka tich ki opportunity madodong truck ma mier ku kwany yugi ma o bot gi pege giro bedo ka tich ki opportunity kar ma kot chwe ka kot do chwe madit en ki lele ma moli gin dong tiu yugi ma megi chigin onyo ki dumping yugi ikom kilele mier donc kel yugi me kele page donc yugi egini team affecting one community ma wati kon pajo pende yugi magin dumping ker ka pi ka ucher ka tum yugi ni wuti dong itengudi kumano do di yo do itengudi do di yo chiwero area mabewa kubiri team machol mada area mamewa malupe ki page luak maurumu kit kum municipality amira liku ni umieru bera giki pangati moki ken makoni NBK lu yugi ne page kawa mago machalo wan lutela mawati kon pajo chiwa bimi ne fine pini fine mamewa kidma community do mo kere watika neno ni area mawa facing page miru bin maleng kawa no iki yugi ma yini biru ka onye page chi fine ti chile ali piera bi ma yini bi por kere makarune mi ario kobedi watiki luoro jo mukere tika puwe yi page ki kume sika wanero puwe ni peraj eto luoro watini ngom makubiri kitika pur ki dwaki kompini moro pekelo pego me chulu wa pi o diri maja kulo go ka diri maja puni biri naga si ukelo wa pego ya nyim sino ngoma miro council kutim no lega watie machalo lutela me kon pajo katwere puwe ni miro beri wichere peko beri dan kulu pere puyi kulu ki komani tika kelo pego madit mata doka me de ma mira lek gamete me kit gum katwere gino mo mir ki tim ma wek kulu page mama wani wagwag le ye mi achiel legana chironi katwere municipal gen ku katiki timo ke konmo ma kiromo ketu leo kit mai kare cha dulmene ma ginu binu kwa kwanyo mita mi achiel ki piera bit mi aki ikulu mi bini loga tura kano kiromo konyo wa me pito yen ni no ki maintaining area me dokulu ki yubu beru maleng che yu achi lene ne inero wa machalo lutera romo konyo wa me kelu leo idok page were kit me mako dul maraju magen ko beri tika tike page machalo area me choron bene kitika tike page pechol ping me kanu jemi mugo make kwalo ki diton che wero wan waromo gwako luak mabe magin ti town donc chilo ni luor na tie machalo la tera ni kapo joke engi mwaka pa nyim no pero mama wanu bino wan ma wagidu uri wachoke pagene kapidong yo kapido chulego pi mirdong ukere kin gay botwa chit ka mi pero ikom udi wakine kuwa wakiti mubal madon kit ma wan wanero district mukene pi ka ye yo ka pi ka pe chirti mungo manini inero na machalo la tela LC1 mita po dul mi pamagara project magen ko biro bino katielo kowa mineno ni gini konyo kowa wando tela were leo ki konyo pi mamewa ko ben maleng amira po dul ne total to ben amira le gini wan wa bi ye mi ripu chingwa mi tiket gi kachiel were gin ku kela loga kit ma unu neno area ma me wapiti mabeni wera loga ku bin bot community lega wabeneti bot community ni gwak yugi ni chiri dumping gabis kit mati chuk kit ku main market kama ke gwa yugi ye pi wanong yini kel yugi kan gamente me Korea miro wa fogi tutwal mi supporting joman wero joni ini dulini kuwi watika neno pero mati page kar malach dul mo ke ken mabino ka chunke dwa machalo wan lutela me penyo tamwa chalo dulini pere chi amira fogi tutwal alego ni tich mamegi pe ko giktin ko keri tich gin magino bino neno ki wangi pero magino bino neno ki wangi ki keri tich we ko luto aloga beti page mamewa kulu wape ko chole ko pong
an lonya no poka Joseph wan koma chiel me ogwalwo wati duk page wati ka nano page makunyuni ki mayang yang no dokulu no timabe ana kunyuni bad ma wati ka nano na era ye yugi dante ka woni yugi kidong dante ka fu IDP mai ngem wa ma bira anyim no page chule madong no pi ron bare do ken gang madong no pebe de twal eni de twal lo tere mamalo ena ye no mergu nen lok me page mabe ma wego wan ma pe ni bene wo logo ma tek pen kari loge kino ngarabira ko ni kurpe kino bero gen papier gen tek ena gen mo wante nen marach fu ko bero ndante ka fu do kulu kidong ga mogo yugi mage bolo konye dambe konye dipi kunyoni mano kero ko pa jumate pen pana pen kuja no dano mar pi page eni kidong yugi gen marach ki kitung bora aneno chalo municipal no mego eni mer go nen lo page mabe pen aneno jume nemba go pero gen mabe wang gupero kiri wang mano mer pageti kere eno dano pa ye dano jom ke tima yang no ge tamne pageni kawende ma no e dong mege ki gen ma dong right e dong municipal pe ka nano page ker mer be kere.
Patrick Paul Kidega is my name, the Deputy Mayor, Kitgum Municipal Council. Kitgum municipality is one of the newest municipality created in northern Uganda, and as one of the newest created municipality, it has a lot of emerging issues that needs to be pragmatically addressed, not by the institution alone, but by partners and people who can come in to make sure that the development of this municipality is owned. Kitgum municipality is one of the fewest cities with rivers that runs in the very heart of the town, and that makes the town very attractive and something that is worth visiting and seeing. But unfortunately, this river is not fully utilized and understood the way it should have been. When you look at the river, a number of issues are coming up out of the river. The river helps in so many ways. First, as a river, it helps us with water that can be used for so many things, and then we get also the ecosystem from it. But unfortunately, as the town grows, a number of people come into the town, and this is a business center of northern Uganda, and people do a lot of activities. And as the municipality, garbage management still remains a very big challenge. That is to make sure that we save these garbages, and people are not yet fully educated on how to manage garbage, like the solid waste management system. So the river becomes the most easiest place where people can go and dump their rubbish after sales and so forth. And you find that some people also drink this water, and then the river is also, people are using it as where they can do sand mining. That is already degrading the river. And again, they wash their vehicles. And you know, when you wash a vehicle, a number of things remains that is not healthy to the water system. And when you look at the river at the moment, it's in a very sorry state. And then when we look at the buffer zones, that is supposed to, people are supposed to stay out of the river catchment by around 50 meters. Unfortunately, this is not the case with Page River. People have intruded, they have encroached into the river, and you find people are doing farming along the river. People are sand mining, as I said before, along the river, and this is making the lifespan of the river in the near future not to actually be there. As the municipality, we are grappling with issues of waste management, as I said before, and we are really looking at a situation now to revamp and save this river from wherever it is. That's why people who have ideas researching on how this river can best be helped, people like Pamagara have come up with a very beautiful idea that needs to be supported. That is the Page River Restoration and Environmental Education Project. This is a project that, as the leadership of the municipality, is a welcome project, and it has come timely to our rescue, because when we do a study on what really leads to the situation the river is facing, then the people gets to know what is really happening. And as the municipality, at the moment, we really are dwindled down. We don't have that ability at the moment to showcase whatever is happening to the river. But when you look at people coming to the river, they take that water, they drink it, they even cook with it. So when we have a healthy river, which is in the heart of this town, it will really be very, very much appreciated. That's why when people like the Korean Safety Health Environmental Foundation, with their support to this kind of a project, is a welcome idea, and we are really looking forward to joining hands with them through this very pragmatic NGO, which is working on social welfare and looking at the study